BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Yeah, Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah, Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say,
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've done for me?
Words are not enough, yeah.
Enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are my everything.
You're my everything.
How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things,
you've
Father,
done
you
for
done
me?
for me, yeah.
Words are not enough to say thank you.
So Lord, you are,
Lord,
you
you're
are.
my everything.
Say, I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are.
You're my everything.
I call you Jireh.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are. You
You're
are.
my everything.
Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Uya matinyana. Oh, uya matinyana. Yeah, so uya.
Moya matinina. Moya matinina.
Yeah.
Moya matinina.
Oh, uya matinyana. Say, I call you Jireh, say.
I call you
Yeah.
Lord, my provider.
I call you Nisi. You are my banner. I call you Rapha. Hey.
You are my healer.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William Miguel, come here. 1, 2, 3.
Voy a mi cuarto, te la mamá, me viene solo.
Yeah. I can breathe without you, say. I can move without you, Lord. Hey. Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah.
abusia me giri se why crowd what na say aka onan aboso ana se watwen wo popcorn no esibenku ana nifa woni abusia ni nyina atwa ahia tv no ho yeba ababedi dwumadi a ne bre asoe ye from oreku frimpon na ye mede bro awie another edition of the community and the law. Community and the law dwumadi a yetena se ne lawyer mpanimfo etena se anase ye yenhye na woboaye ma yehunu se ne amra no esi eko ewo ya brabo mutichu ewo UK and Europe abrochire. And then so memenda edikan ewo Owusu Bosompem no mu February 2021 na ye ba be hie ene mede nkomode de bi ebro me ba be kire kwan ya obefa so etimi etintim wo na ye titru ewo UK ha, especially when you are a student who's come to the UK to study. Now after your study, what do you want to do? Do you want to go back to your home country? Yes, that is what the law says. But if it is that you have found a very more lucrative opportunity here, opening here, and you want to stay in the UK, now the law says that when you finish, go back home. But if you want to stay, what do you do? Now we switch it from a student visa to a skilled worker visa. That scheme has been open to us, especially at the start of 2021. Now, I take advantage of that as a student, is what I'm going to give you. It's a strategy, it's a good one, and it's a good opportunity for you. We're live on Facebook, BWF Solicitors Facebook page, and our things also live YouTube. BWF Solicitors YouTube page. Ebi also obenya ewo KNTV anase Kwaku Owusu Frimpon anaso Reku Owusu Frimpon page. Me am page and also we are live there. And inti bomodi ase woni abusua nyina betena se na memfa seda na men sing the praises of BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors emra emu adwumaku a woboa yen titru ewo UK kama ya setena ejina yie se eba ne mramu bibia se ye Ghana mra se ye UK mra awade divorce wo ya application bi opese lawyer ko jawo ewo court ne ka wasem ma wadwumamu na niema bi enkoyie na ope lawyer ni amana kama wa me kanfo ma se ene BWF Solicitors Indi and Como. BWF Solicitors ewo North London, just on top of the Victoria Line train station. There was Seven Sisters no na oko building no more the Ghana House on the fourth floor. Omo ye adwuma Monday to Friday. Every anopa 9:30. Ekosi anwumre 6 o'clock. One telephone number they book appointment now ni akodi nkomo. Na when you the assurance I make one some say the TBR no ubetimi enya nkonimdie ewo cases no na 0208 493 7340. You find it at the bottom of your screen. Now, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, at BWF Solicitors. And then, me den komo bro. Nansa na no me pese me kai wo say senior niema si krono. Minia, bon ho bai. Now, you stay away from COVID. Let's break the spread cycle. No, now so we can go back to our normal, not the new normal where we have to cover our faces and sometimes we picture you don't want to do that. And people are also dying, so let's stay safe and keep away from coronavirus. And then so Mijidi say and some kayibi ewo hwa ewo se wotie eno nti me na yakofa updates de abro ya boy nkoko na ya ba ye ne opania ene oni en eba be twetwe nkomo no ye de abro. The community and the law is live.
Hello, Michai viewers name is Eponina, Mimamonina Afishapa, Mida Oracles to ask for this opportunity to do a quick update. As of the first week of January 2021, in government no akase your lockdown, the whole of England is currently on lockdown and almost the concessions so aba say last year so Chrome now visit visa na service visa no every from now up to 28th of February. I would say you can apply for exceptional assurance, which is an extension of visa no. sɛ wote ha na wɔ family members sɛ wo yere ne wo mba a wɔte kurom ha ɛndeɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ application no from UK ha to switch from saa wo visit visa to leave to remain leave to remain application. In terms of nkɔfo a visit visa no ɛnya wɔnyɛ no so they can also make the application to switch to either student and as a work permit visa. And with the exceptional assurance also, what it does is that it automatically extends SAWO visa no up to the 28th of February 2021. And so if you fall into any of these categories, Nadia, then you can make that switch. And as I over to me, I apply for the extension via email cihassuranceteam@homeoffice.gov.uk. In terms of your health and care workers, very amazing health and care workers. In the government also, as I have said, they will give those who work in the health and care industry 1 year automatic extension into visa no from now up to March. Almost say you can apply for a 1 year automatic leave or 1 year automatic extension to leave until from now up to March the visa and then you are eligible to apply through your employers for that 1 year extension. And in terms of booking appointments for biometrics, so why application now we book appointments for biometric, and for one reason or the other the center is closed they will email you and give you another date, because these services are essential services. The government now can say they are essential services. Until if for any reason why your application will book your appointments for biometrics, those services will continue to run because they are essential services. And also in terms of your EU nationals, if for any reason whatsoever, say your friend of EU settlement scheme applications, so what's a Chrome as an EU national or your EU national family member, and I say na waware EU national, but muni hobium, and I say abia nipakono frame, and I say abia nipakono ye EU national no on sick room habium, and the while retaining rights, you are eligible to apply under the EU settlement scheme. And I say we are British ni, we business for mukotna EU no kakra na ababium. You have up until April of this year to return and make those applications under the EU settlement scheme. And now say Obria Okra derivative rights card in the ABR Neba EU national, and I say British, but only your primary carers of that British child, and I said that EU child. And those holders of derivative rights and also should also apply under the EU settlement scheme. And it's very important say and also now those applications for pre-settled status, which is leave to remain, and as a settled status, which is currently indefinite leave to remain, so that at least by the 30th of June 2021, one year will be a year for illegal immigrants ewo krom ha. Into a family say we cry permanent residents for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. In Pamucho Bebre and Fahon Pacho, yes, that application for settlement under the EU settlement scheme. Now, by the 30th of June 2021, Unim said BBR are falling into place. And see, Pamucho Bebre, as much as possible, Unim will be Unim say, Okrasa EU permits, and I say, Afina, or person, yes, application as a family member of an EU national, and then now I share this quick update. Yamin Shamina, and have a blessed week. Bye-bye.
I am a Labour MP.
I'm a Conservative MP.
MPs don't agree all the time.
But on taking the vaccination issue, we do.
Coronavirus has really turned our world upside down and taken far too many of our loved ones far too soon.
COVID-19 has exploited the existing inequalities in our society.
The pain that our communities have gone through is indescribable.
The infections and deaths have affected families in every part of the UK.
My husband and I had a mild case of COVID-19.
Last week, I lost my cousin to coronavirus.
During the pandemic, I have lost an uncle to the virus.
We understand the fears, the anxieties, and the confusion.
We understand the genuine history of mistrust some black people will rightfully feel.
Each of us has the power to protect ourselves and to help slow the transmission.
And now the vaccination is available. Speak to your GP or your pharmacist to learn more.
They are being robustly tested by some of the world's best scientists and data analytics experts and authorised by the MHRA here in the United Kingdom.
Get the facts.
Speak with trusted healthcare professionals and encourage your family to do the same.
My father, my mother, they're having it because they work in the healthcare sector.
It's proven to be effective. So if you or a member of your family is invited by the NHS to get the vaccine, please, please, please take it. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your community.
Don't let misinformation put you or your loved ones at risk.
My aunt recently had the vaccine.
My family friend has had the vaccine.
When it gets to my turn, I certainly will be taking it.
When it's my turn, I will be taking the vaccine.
When it is my turn, I will be taking the vaccine.
I'll be taking the vaccine.
When it's my turn, I'll be taking the vaccine.
When it's my turn, I will be taking the vaccine.
Let's work together
and beat this virus once and for all.
Medasi piece Uguso any etie yakofa yen update no aba and I think so yate enkra Mr. Bohuban na menso me mom huban na de tie bia ebetimi apam yare boni afri yen temu ebi o yefrem oreku frimpon jumedi de bro the community and the law live on Facebook BWF Solicitors, Ureku Owusu Frimpon. And our things so air live on YouTube, BWF Solicitors. Yama amanfo akwaba eko hamburger aye ani anafi abusuafo ewo edamwa se muguso hweyen from the Republic of Ablekuma Accra Amos Day so wafa jumedi abo uba woni yen AD edase na cha nyame enhraw sanso ne yawo ofori tenkran na yawo ofori tenkran edase Margaret Adumensa kwame tajima se owo doma kesi bie ewo Ghana sanso so ena yewo Tina. Tina is watching us from Hertfordshire in the UK. You have a question that falls rightly in line with the discussion that we're going to have. So we'll pick it up later on when we have had some insight into it and answer that for you. Nana Oberima Obrimpong. Now, so one and Kanye, Ebrani, the updates in the band from Kakrabat that has been sorted. Thank you so very much. The only firm you can trust, the award-winning of company of the century, Senia Wumpini Adam Ede Bano, Sansonia War, Mary, Chucho Kotei, Dokasa Dom, Ajewa, and Ajima, Patricia Foster. EL, my little prince, thank you very much for your support. Daddy loves you. And we also have support from all the other people that have joined us all throughout. Along the line, so Miko Palermo, Patricia Foster, say, I'm watching from Italy, Palermo, Nina Ewoho. We're live on Facebook, we're live on YouTube. And then, somebody can bow a maniano, our topic is quite simple. And the bia say na na lawyer mpany for no eka no and then maybe you ha or say hu nani so na all the strategy aye ho adwuma student visa to skilled work visa how to switch it is the work switch and say application be now be I would want us to even look at student visa. Who qualifies to be a student in the UK? And if you have a visa, how long do you have to hold it for? Who you are then and the be senior student visa in him. So matakram ha 4 years, 5 years. I wasn't leading me to indefinite student visa sanity. Sentesa obeyed them. Now you can skilled worker visa and also a dealing. And no a question na me primitive skilled worker visa metimi a day me a hairdresser or Ghana na me barbering shop me pama de senior minia Ben pam and na or Ghana na the brain near ya chen come obetimi barber shop ba ye adwuma it is saying sa skill non here and na say just work about degree and na work we polytechnic bi and then who answer the questions are many. But all the answers are right here. And unti mama memfa kwena mingma a lawyer Francios Owusu Bosompem akwaba. Uncle Francis, afishapa bio.
Often comment to
you're February routine.
That's it. We need to acknowledge.
Me boss be dim corona. Why I know say Happy New Year. And I'm saying, oh, but we are in February. I say, we talked about a month ago, so definitely we'll have to. Yeah, me more official part na ne kwan so na abusia for what to say.
Nyame adom ne mompaibo. Na tembia mokoso esuso yemu no.
Oh, nyame ne kra yemu.
Ayampa.
Right. Yo, and na wie senior medical abo atifo ani ahwefo amane no ye ba behwe a bit of technical near makakra. Yes, will be a student. Yes, will be a skilled worker. And some any idea how to even switch from one visa category into another visa category. Which me day at na UK ha. Sebe ya am kasa what's na bro so and now you're illegal. No idea. Metaka na minim se more experience mo no say obi enya immigration problem. Ewo UK ha. Sometimes they are now far bravo too easy. Yeah. But nyama kakra fa wani anse won say yes also ultimate toto woni emaye nyama yadarema BWF mo he de na che say ye twafufu ama no atonkwam ma mini kan emisa say ye ka say obi kuta student visa hwan na ye ka ne ho asem
yo me da say tie for baby obia no ye chiamo say another edition of the community and the law no aba nyankopon e de ache Saturday. Yo, ye kase obi a student ewo ye Chrome hanuma UK ha. Echere se onipa krono baby o free ba obedru ha no. Ose oba ba besua ade. Ena ohwe student base na ye wo mumienu. Nkola ade wo ho ena nkola ade ne ye from say wedi 4 years up to 17. Ena mpenifo de no efi 16 eko. Inti o share your system of education ewo UK hana ubetumi aba nkola de se ubesua de oko academy ana se o private school se obusuafo weska ye de waba betu private school mu ewo hanomo inti eno no nkola de no ewo ho ena mpenifo de ne 16 years eko no se mepese me college ana se mepese me be degree. Okay. And now I say me short courses and I say after degree in the crown no me postgraduate after postgraduate in the crown me PhD.
Okay.
Into your system of education no emma ho kwan say obia o free amanone na opese obesua de wo UK ha no akwan gya wo ho but e was say we go through procedure.
Okay.
Into sa procedure no na ye beka ho asem say before say obey student no who meet this requirement, answer. Yo, you share your procedure and I say you share requirements are here as a student now. From time memorial near there, no student visa no e wo ho da.
Okay.
Enye ade fufuro bi a fei na yenim. Inti almost share before say 1st January 2021 no. Ni efre bibi point based system and no wo na ya hihye mu omachiche mu a yefre bibi tier 1 tier 2 tier 3, tier 4, tier 5. But shema ye tier 2 no, tier 3 no yamfa anya adwuma.
Tier 3 no,
tier 3 no the entia almost say obese obeye adwuma wo ha. But oman qualify no say skilled or unskilled. Inti almost and no it won't help the economy. Inti and oman fanya inti tier 1 no tier 2 and your core tier 4 and a tier 5. Inti after 1st of January no and on Monday Saturday no or revamp that your old point-based system no to the modern one to suit the country's economy.
Okay. Inti sa tier system no any hobby sa no can announce omadani ani aye ni bibi foforo.
Yes. Omadani ani aye ni bibi foforo are falling into bibi a your friend your currently point-based system no.
Okay.
And now take effect from 1st of January 2021.
Okay. Inti say me student na bia me course 2 years. Say me ba aba sua de e wo ha. Still me go through tier system no because me a student am ba na.
Yo, sure. Say how omo ahihye ade na student no omo yi omo to 1 tier bia e friend tier 4.
Okay.
It is the student no omo na eda tier 4 no. In this tier 4 no and omo asa subdivide no aba say your friend be child student and the general student no. Into the child student no and an America say the age no one of the requirements here they.
Okay.
4 to 17. And no now about courses no. So parents will scan no more so or pursue English for education. Obet more do about one. Yo, and now share the general one student one kasana. And no from 16 upwards wage in aircon. Obet me about college. Obet me I started some short courses. But mostly I way degree, undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD. And none falling within those, tier 4 general and aircon. It say, Oba now say, o say, and I say, who make application now, say, obey student to Chroma. You will know be a yesha, the point, no, eshe home.
Okay.
Into first, dear Emrane ka say opese wo apply for student visa. I was say unya bibia friend say confirmation of acceptance for studies. Yeah, kind of CAS. Inti eno ne chere say fine. Me pese me besua ade wo UK ha. Inti ma apply through school no. Inti school no assess me and say okay. Fine, me to me. Inti be Enunti school no issue me sa confirmation of acceptance for studies.
Okay.
Inti wunya sa adena ena ade be make application. Na nya sa adena nko school na access no before some be issue no mo ehwe nyoma ese umiti ansa no mo tumi issue sa. Inti in this case once last week we talk about employers or more licenses or benyano. In the school no so licenses or mube ebenyano and also mube issue ama old student any a friend of class confirmation of acceptance for studies. In this when ya old school no wa assess ye now we issue mano na obano wa mediswa first wo yetimeje o license.
Okay.
Because home office be assess school ni say omoye obi a ombetumi a handle nipa na oba ni situation say ye be kire na de obeba I be taking record and making sure say oba lectures ni na sefo. But thank God coronavirus by amani o ma asisa kakra.
Okay.
Emma home office I go emra no mu kakra.
Okay. Na me mra say answer na bia sa new system yi ebeba na student visa restrictions be ewo ho bread do abitimi dey aye adwuma within a week. We are then and now be well obviously we are so also babisuade to be but Niema bebre
yes
am Inti yenhwe the things that govern student visa ade no. When you timi aba bebrem, o ma me ana papa betimi ade wo aba ana se when your course be o ba aba be. Wo bebrem no. Den restrictions are wo ho. Den na otimi den na wontimi nye.
Yo, o share because student visa no me pese de nkola ne mpanifo ne de ni nyina e kan ho asem. Because for nkola no na ye momo a year juma for only 10 hours a week. But coronavirus by nyoma asisa. And I biom so for impenifo no ye momo 20 hours a week. Se mu fanya juma na mu fan support mu. Eno na wo ye no say maybe our course ne for 2 years and I say our course no even so be a degree fine. Our course ne for 3 years. Yama 3 years student visa. O de aba every term na ya break summer there na wo ye okay me nko holidays miti kroma me pese me ye adwuma. No emra ma ho kwan ma wo ye more hours over the 20 hours no as a student no. Inti wo ye sa de na umumra ne so but so why who lectures and I say during the school going time no na ukoye adwuma ma ne bro so that 20 hours na emra no betimi apanish you ena biomu so no ye hwe se na ubisa se yama ne student visa no there no betimi aye ena there no wontimi nye yo ye ma student visa first butai bi wo ho de nti a ye de sa student visa ne ma no ene say me ba besua de nti make sure say o lectures de say wo ye nyina na e fa wo school no wo ye because wanya at the end of the day no every time bia no school na wo ko no e wo say o musu feed the home office about attendance because they ye hwe ne say waji student visa no oba on see school mother no in this case no
there's one man me chia there no
enya adisua na oba wo different motive
okay
ye nye careful say student visa no ne dey amame a e wo say me di so call lectures dey say wo si uba besua no ko ne koye when nya no ukuta student visa you stand the chance say fine ube ye adwuma but 2 hours no it shouldn't be 20 hours. But currently, system no asisa kakra on the basis of coronavirus nyoma eko. Inti as no ye ma student visa an opportunity say they can do more hours. And a student courses here eko no bibia dane online. Inti we your lectures online and as if for na usaye juma na for say juma ni here say be ye juma. Especially omo classify sa NHS omo ye adwuma ma NHS no say at least say adwuma no e wo ho no mu hia na afu so betimi akoya obetimi akọ but sa 20 hours no affect you
okay
and e biom so wo student visa untimi enje bibi e friend no benefit
okay
free abai ho because students visa requirements no e was say prove alongside sa cars no e was say prove English language and e biom so say prove financial finances. Inti enye se waba ha no ya divisa na ma now see me ba be ku me ho apeska me de be sponsor me school no there be because ya access home office access no mu make sure say wo sika enough oba ha say in case wa anya adwuma kra na obetumi survival system no o de be wie wo course no why
okay now any na me say you allow me mama ye adwuma 20 hours. System no crown so is a people can go around it and do a little more hours. 20 hours obviously a bejo tax.
Yes.
Inti say me chia tax dia na system no mu benefit bi o bia. I think committee me be.
Yo, o me hwe say dia omunti menye. Ba ye hwe dia obetimi enjoy our system no mo.
Okay.
Especially the year omo ye de ma omo no say because urban otua bibi e friend no immigration health surcharge. Inti so yare pe
obeko GP
hospital e use And I share first na and I said no, I think that's still that's who no more. A fat child student, you know. A year over land in a government operatives our buses need training as if for now. Or more concession be a from more student pass. No, your mouth discount. That was traveling, you know.
Okay.
Card and so. Into these are the things incentives are UK are buying Edinburgh students, you know. Say at least we a student into all travel with maybe train or buses near the dinner. We try to take we catch them so a student they give you a discount out of the fare, no. Why?
Okay. And the na main sign and he be say that's basically the amount for episode mo. Se niama sesa se me a student na me fan say me be ye course my year 2 years away my year another course na my year another 2 years away na atra na twam 5 years ni nyina my courses ni nyina away se me kuta student visa na matimi atena mo to that extent does it lead to an indefinite leave to remain in the country or not?
Yo, I am a man for dear Bobo was sad in a say, other in home office and share no moon consider no moon fan change or mumrano. Say, at least either a be leading into indefinite and now say end leading into indefinite. But maybe share the way a home office a year or mumrana a year now or more share or mumma sa incrophobia from Migration Advisory Committee. Yem pense mu. Now mo the recommendation number. Now your share student Diana what the ma observe on this chair say omo say students no omo take advantage over the system. Because who share student program now obe to me defer o course no. So we should say be this term this summer and I said this time in addition nko yie nti me pese me defer sa no so a visa no so no o ko apply bet me extend am.
Okay.
Nti these are the things I omo hwe ma omo say ye join is term bia no students no be take advantage over that. Nti from day one no omo ma ye hu say wo student visa na okuta no Emma wunya asetina feball be it indefinite leave or settlement e wo kroma. Why?
Se me wie me course no na bia in the course of me sua de no my job placement and now said me and me o manim se me wie degree we me qualification we oh okay job opportunity we aba beto ho yes me wie am nkomi kro and no sa no make me take advantage of it na me de atena kro ma na
yo o share student visa no send a CTA na a more opportunity to switch to other route for so bit media atena kroma being the old kano so wakonya ejuma skilled worker visa wakonya ejuma and ejuma no first odi kan koye placement ho into koye placement no na yi ejuma for no penny owo mu say oh wajuma so ani into wo wie school
brane ye no nya ejuma
wo pese oni ejuma akwanja wo ho no mo into student na edit to the trim say oh okay many opportunity be o baby into it's up to the student no na e wo say wo ma ejuma for no apply licenses wo de be application towards that into wo shema last week in church efa sponsorship no wo employer no wo ejuma na for say upe obi skill e wo wadwuma ma e wo say wo ge licenses na wo de mano na wo de apply for visa say ne be ya obenya adwuma
e wo so ko Ghana no ko ge visa ne de ba ana so wo ha ne nti obetimi aye
emra no ma ho kwan say obetimi aye in country application
okay
say oni ha obey overseas one no aye free Ghana but owa ha na okuta ni student visa no obetumi aye sa application no eno ne friend in-country application.
Okay. Abusian for koma ye die efa se uye school ni ana se oba besua de na ubetimi timi take advantage of the situations in the UK. Se ubetimi aye adwuma se uwia ubetimi atenemo ene ade student then na ubetimi aye student then na wontimi enye Lawyer Francis ene yen etwetwe enkomo no cheche yemu. Now the other bit of the discussion ene sa free the 1st of January 2021 Njisha aba toho se ukuta student visa wawie why your extensions ahodo ni nyina unya adwuma e wo se wo ko krom but you prefer to stay in the UK and carry on with your life. You say you were skilled worker visa. Inti maminko bisa sa skilled worker visa no e ho asem e ye den ya na se wo switch free student visa no so aba skilled worker visa no so a ekwan ben so e na obefa. The community and the law are live at Facebook BWF Solicitors. Sanso so na are live at YouTube BWF Solicitors. Mo afi na mo ba be ka yen ho no na berima brimpon ye da say Kenneth Kofi Ofori Boateng Antobam ye da say Stephen Asiga wonso wa be ka yen ho you were Tilly Duma, you were Nanajima, the class prefect, who is doing his job as usual. Beniza Hope and to do a kahon. Oba na washe page, you know. Sanya, Debia Mekano. Last week you gave us 300. This week I need 400. Do it, and I know you can do it. Inti Momodia. What do you think? We'll comment on also about. We'll pick up those comments and the questions, and we'll get them answered by Lawyer Francis. Breno Swan, you call lines also 0208 123 1016 0208 123 1016. Lawyer Francis, batch up mami misai na me say you can't skilled worker visa. And on last week you didn't come.
Yes, no. But for the benefit of a TF4 motion and no. Skilled worker visa no. BB wo ne say wona sa skilled worker visa or more introduce you just beginning of this year being 1st of January 2021. In such a way, say, Tama na ye free movement, you know, under the EU settlement scheme, no, and I say under the EU appendix, you know, and I said Directive 2004/38, you know, being said na UK ye member of the European Union, no, na sa nyoma we ema UK, so ubia to me by UK, especially EU for no. Eba number ye juma ewa hanumo. Into UK 2016 now move vote so move free EU mono. Ena na ama omo I think it twice I was say a pest system be na ye de two in place. Send be ya say EU for now mum person betina no e free UK mo ye tumi ape obi a betimi afele ye economy no in terms of job wise. Into omo ebiom so sa akoda sa nkrofo we from Migration Advisory Committee say omunye nhwehwemu because now before then no na so many proposals about ebi mu say enko Australian type of almost system no ebi mu say Canadian inti na emma the government in power ne hu de obeye inti ode koda omo no na omo ye investigations and as omo ye omo research and omo come out BB say okay, let's go for the skilled worker scheme, no. In this case, no, na the omo kan say, I was so making sure say obia oba UK bia person ye adwuma bia no. I was say okuta skilled bia UK here such in their economy. Inti ma omo to the extent say I was so omo draw program in terms of omo ma adwuma bia ne code. Your kind of occupation code. Say ne be ya say ufa adwuma we say me a social worker me free Ghana na mpese me ba ni code wo ho because that code no talking about o job title o job remuneration just so many things involved say inti wo ba no wunnim ade a wo expect from that field of employment no.
Okay.
Into these are the things a UK did your two in place in such a way say wo na opese obeboa your economy no na opese go through that scale worker visa no akwan ja wo ho e wo say wo score and also point wo ho no.
Okay. Na point ni nya den.
Yo, me da say o share point na before 1st of January 2021 no, na basically jina so what point based system no all the time tier 1 tier 2 tier 4 tier 5 ni na se for no but on say move in such a way say sa application no and I say person will go through that skilled worker visa requirement na alongside no obeka cho say we score be and no for home office for assessment or how or betimi dey assess you inti ushema sa skilled worker visa no we say we score 70 points.
70.
Yes.
Hey, that's
no, hey, break it down. It's so easy to get it.
Okay.
It's so easy to get it. First, I was saying unya BBI friend no certificate of sponsorship. And last week, I can't about that. Inti no employer no and odebe mao say, oh, assume see job offer na sifo no. You feel say we qualify into you be issue say na be apply for visa now with their back room. In this case, you know, no I want a point I was say we score
near TFE 70.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Until unya ayena sponsorship ade na near TFE point no.
That's it.
Okay. Next is so tiba.
Thank you.
Enti be do 70 no.
Good age. No. Yeah, cause where you can say a job offer.
Okay.
Into that job offer, you go through that certificate of sponsorship. Say as long as may issue, everyone say my employer may issue that certificate. You know, my to say me ma a jumaye. Into no a job offer, near take it.
Okay.
That the next one they say, also making sure say a job now or day ma no. One of the home office requirements are. Wona employer no ora ni bia o this application ko to home office be dia to me say wo no o job no ya register na ye nimo a list of employers na omo ye genuine and run that business no and no so wo no ma ye be take because obi wo ha obega so me wajuma o UK ha me kan kura juma kura no register wo company house oni BBI chair say we register the company or run a company one more. Me can know the abebu or Ghana or say my employer or ji o kakra wa good bottom mama. You be share mu no or the application you go to home office say company where it doesn't exist in this country.
No secret question.
That's it. Right. These are the checks are omode share and also another point. Now masa ba BBI your friend say where ye level of education being the English language or more as say no inti UK the way omo system no omo mpese oba be burden to the state.
Okay.
Inti oba no omo expect say ubenya English language level B1 intermediate.
Okay.
What involves
and no be my point in be.
That's it. And no be my point in be.
Okay.
Inti me ba be breaking it down what the B1 entails. I was saying utimi underrate in English language, you know. Your friend will be listening, speaking, writing and reading.
Okay.
Inti ebe assess you sa ade 9 way. Inti sa ade 9 ebe assess you no. And no na ebe chere no metimi ama the assessor no betimi aka chere so okay. Over UK a betimi aka brofo, betimi atro. Betimi akenkan ne nasefo. Into on that note, no, you be more level B1. Ubet media make it application.
Okay.
Yo, and the other one, and also best score point to a honomo. The other one, and I say, or more at the Asaba Beshem, no, any salary remuneration is a money, now some say, payment. Yes.
Okay.
And no, in general, no. You share the sort of skill, and I say, Juma Wenya. Because omo ye occupation code no omo de sika minimum employer betime atua adwuma bia and a maximum employer betime atua bia no but omoye sa scaled and as a job point based system adwuma 7 year there no omo classifies at least the minimum has to be say 20,480 and the maximum has to be 25,600 betime atua it depend on a juma kra obeye no but edu baby na ofo say a juma no entimi ntua wo car for a raising in asefo a omo de bibi e fe no tradable opportunities bi so asa ashim
okay
ebi ni say e ho no na obe shift akọ bibi a ye frɛ no shortage occupation list home office and also ye part of enyuma na ya omo hwɛ no the enti omode eno no so aba be shem ni say UK economy ni the way a grow omo here people to come and work no omo expect say at least some enyuma bi a ehu hia wo kromo in such a way say enya afa ni e beka yin say umiti wenti e ma wo ma ebi ni say omo here doctors omo here nurses and then as if these people no say omo fall within that thing especially mama here omo STEM here obi okuta science background technology and ye engineer and our mathematicians these are nyoma bia omo are classified say omo here those people day in day out in their economy it is say who and I say we yes ankrofo we bi na at least sikasemu no ompese obetua we ni kra na with this qualification no omo bu omani gu so sad no na tradable so either the remuneration or the tradable occupation jobs ni bi it is ukuta san ni bi STEMs ni bi science technology engineering mathematicians ni na for now they allow you to now they don't look at the money aspect it can replace that remuneration aspect no. Why into this
enya huhu piece
say na make catch no
okay and you know remember the crux of the matter a man for epese wo wie school a otimi ema wa setena no etimi toaso e wa ha because we are me ko Ghana me nkonya adwuma anye going back to any other country the jobs probably are not there but the jobs are here and available and my condition is I am on a student visa until I will say me call back because it has expired my course has ended I've done all my extensions I've defended my dissertation I've done everything so I have to go back home. How do I switch? Quite person make me a switch a free student visa so. Na makosha sa a skilled worker visa so that I can continue to stay here and even look for a job or even find one or continue whatever it is I'm doing.
Good. I am because now and also be here issue now man for complaining to the home office my bet na hanomo my course schools are at least 5 years ni na for na me ko try say menya settlement so umfama inti home office etie omo ensem na omo keka no ema ebiom so na omo ka say okay ye be ye hu bibi inti o hwema omo say okay if that's the case oda so wo ha obetumi a switch to other route ofo say opese woko ebi ni saying skilled worker scheme o share the epese pese ye beja wo sa say wa ba akwa knowledge wa hanomo na wantumi amfa anye bibia opese o de call back ufie ukroma and also kwa adwuma ho be ye den wa in order not to say ye be waste your talent na wa ba benya wa no omo say okay say wo betumi anya sponsor being employer obetumi am offer o adwuma obetua o sika na eye good obetumi apply in country was our ha no for application say opese o apply for skilled worker visa ni bi inti ni nyina agina how to say the na ye ka say wakwa akoye placement na employer na ni je ho of say obetumi contribute na adwuma akwan ja wo so obe sponsor na wa employ na wa boa ama wanya wo skilled worker visa no inti wo hwema the issue and I said there na bobo say student omukra no mu wie o say omukọ back to omukrom no anka ebetina say na say be yese nka ombetina ha no mo na omakoso aye adwuma abo economy no eto home office eto aban na sum e ma omo introduce that skilled worker visa no e make sure say obi awie university ana say obi awie ni course e wa ha na wobomodin konya employer bi obe sponsor na obetumi a switch from the student visa no to skilled worker visa no. Why?
Okay. Nti na che say conditioner ebe wo ho a ene say e wo say wonya adwuma.
Yes.
Wonya adwuma no willing say obey your sponsor.
That's it.
Adwuma no willing say obetumi atua wo saa sika no at least the minimum wo job category in the code what they adwuma.
That's it. And now say for going concept. I don't know how the home office use their terms. Why?
I know sir, no say minya bibi sir, does it affect my family, my spouse and my children? Say ebe cover or more now.
Yo. Yeah, I think last week not yet talking about sponsor no. Say sponsor no catch us say okay, me offer adwuma we ya. Wo na say o must sponsor ne ya where say me wo me yire ene member.
Okay.
Ewo. Because the entire me can we ni say ya na sponsor no so be feel say open na me ba be sponsor wo. But mo ya aware wo employee na say future employee no man sponsor ni ya aware say me yire ne me ma e wo ha me pese me de o mo ka ho a o say that's fine inte no be ma home office license na cover in colano akolano and then the partner no
lawyer. This is a situation I say me was sitting over ha be a me say me EU national say me British national me war I sitting am person me cover me busin for eba na your mommy conditions be also meet accommodation criteria 18,600 which is the income and a whole lot of things. Say me sponsor no jitum say e was say metimi akofa me and then ma ka ho under the sponsorship na side requirements no do they come to play?
Yo o share skilled worker now said that point based system there no any your normal general immigration rules are your firm near kofa your union near bana totally different because skilled worker visa now who apply no nyoma bi wo ha employer no be fafa na wo na employee na oba be fawa ba no so be fafa nti ni nyina gina hawa woni ne beka fa se me yire wo ha ana me kunu wo ha me ba wo ha me pese ye de ne ka ho because nyoma bi wa employer ne right say wo se wo ye ebi ni saying say or apply for skilled worker visa na I say employer no etua bibi e friend immigration skilled charge. So it is we ni nyina no say employer ne want na say no ne wan kan na o de care brand obewe say the benefit obenya free ho no is it outweigh the expenses are obe put into that application na. These are the things from day one no no ma employer no aya aware say me de me yire ana say me de me kunu ana say me ba ebeka application no nti den na obeye offer me job no on the basis say me de o maka ho ana say won offer me
conditions ni be pen o mon person me de be ma manfo ana say ehunu bi pen ni ahwe yentra
yo the test ni say makase me be yesei me bedu ha na ma adwen asesa these are the things ma home office and making sure say yemfa conditions yemfa nyoma bi nhihye mu say na be ya checks and balances because the entire makers are say all these things no omo here in such a way say ombe ma de na ye fenchem ana say ombe ma de na hu say wo na wo so oba be ye adwuma no ampa oba obe ye adwuma because mama ma scenario bi yemfa ne say enya ha na oso echi kra na wo Ghana ne ba be fa waba buy obehwe system mu no won say say adwuma we ba ko bi wo ha otimi tua kese kura chen de ode ma ba no in this case no we best start here planning towards going to that firm in this case no the way home office aye situation no home office say sponsor na okofa o free Ghana, let's say Ghana or the wabano. Waje o visa 3 years ama no. Yena juma pe.
That's right.
Men ko ye obi ajuma. But o buy and one say other similar company. No so no me services and I say me qualification no ebetimi tap into that side. Into my apply no so okay me found. And no home office feel say yes na wu cheat there or no go for free Ghana no. In that case there I was say sir my sponsor no and I say sir my new employer no I apply for sponsorship license.
Okay, not just say the be more cancer strategy answer na me so ama T4 near for abemono. In that case no se me ba na say ya de me ba se bia me ma wo bongo ba. Me ba bedru no me hu say KFC round the corner is paying more.
That's it.
Me remu me nya manager ne omo HR mo man so you betimi afọ adwuma we know your skill is good. Utimi toto a confirm pa. Inti toto a confirm because KFC is introducing a confirm ya toto. Now say KFC for sponsorship application for ekotwa de if Ghana no buy no no ma fa me adwuma.
Yo I am passed unyenya concept na mani age. Na say me mouth dey say me dey mouth.
That's right.
Yo Ushema I am passed I was say KFC opese ojewo no free other bongo bar no. I was say no so apply for licenses.
That's right.
And sana wetimi ajewo every no so you access no on a different level.
Okay. There's a we trust our license that done.
That's it.
Yeah man for.
Yeah be man for.
Abusianfo say afi eno abeka ye ho the community and the law and uguso AT and ye share student visa any skilled worker visa. E kwan ben so na abetimi aswitch. The entire day is ankomo we bro enyina and say we share student visa there na and well limitations wo ho we wie na afi untimi ntenemu. It doesn't lead to settlement and all that. Francis, answer na meko so no. Say unya skilled worker adena would it lead to settlement?
Yo, thank God because no one ebo humpae. Ejebo abela. Yeah, unya now to me say what now continuously 5 years ubet me apply for settlement or indefinite leave to remain because no so one requirements I was say will follow. As long as home office aka say it leads to settlement you know and no here why
okay. And yeah na me kai was say bomodin say wo adwuma bi na o turnover say last week lawyer MI atiase no o qualify na we eligible we meet suitability and eligibility criteria.
Yeah.
My big account. Bomodin say ubetimi apply na wo obi a wonim so what skill obi wo Ghana na obetimi ababebo adwuma ma na ko anim obetimi because last time no obi bisa also a taxi firm and any other but say opese obi a car company you can do that. Go and get drivers and come to work for you especially because Ghana for bebre any the African Caribbean community we take taxis a lot and sometimes we are comfortable with our own into wetimi ama and also akoso ade amount or text message ebeba 07950 422780 and now say obesende ade abaye Facebook page and also BWF solicitors and what you know so waiting the amaye YouTube and also BWF solicitors ansana mekoso kra na mamimfa yenia bi say ye sha sia na ode the question about two edwa nti me pese if I was say watching from Hertfordshire I would like to know if it's still possible to get a working visa for someone in Ghana to the UK. I own a hair salon. I'm saying common na ni
yes common na yeah
nti
or kind of working visa but in other words you know once na make culture say first na point based system tier 1 tier 2 tier 3 tier 4 ni na sefo no.
Okay.
Now these are things we were using under the point based system. Inti say no oma regroup it in such a way say aba be bibia aba share the new point based system na oma raise no. Inti uhwema ye will be a friend of talent visa global talent visa ye will be a friend of innovator visa. Inti all these things almost share munon inti wo share baby a wo fall a na wa apply. Ye nua question ye shema working visa no what the ya boss wa ye can no under the skilled worker visa no because oma qualify ni kakra.
Okay.
On the basis say yen ka say oba abeye say adwuma bia na oba abeye because omo ye such a way say ye ma obi ma na adwuma no say adwuma ni ho a na say adwuma ni ceases to operate nipa no ho be kire no.
Okay.
Because so omo ka say skilled worker visa na they know the reason why they put in and I say omo pe say ye call for sa ade no on the basis say they want to cushion the economy. They want to boost the economy to attract those talented people they need to build the UK economy and that's the UK society. Inti say hairdresser no or timi star Emma obi ani je ho ni peti kama ni nasefo a akwan ja wo ho no mo wo na wo ha na ubo salon ni nasefo no ubetumi apply but we register with company now they make sure say obeji licenses etimi akwa na free Ghana
ba 0208123116 ewo UK ha obetumi afre na obisa question wo wi ase ba bia 0044 208-123-1016. Sakode Kofi Ose Oshayen Sanso ne wo Mimi you say hi daddy. Hi. Hello. Me say na mama mchimwa mi da. So and you wo Gideon AJ good evening or hene good evening. Also yeda wase. Sa ne wo yenua Ohima Obahima Vicky. Say hello family. Nana Jimai, hope you good and everyone else is also doing very well. Mami for the next question we Emra your lines near active until bit me afraid na once and do message no aba. Any other issue that is bothering your mind that bothers on the law? Say a UK mra say a Ghana mra ubetimi ade aba. Text number is 07950422780 07950422780. Ureku, can you ask for me? I came in to do human resource management as an MBA course. Now, when I finished, I had a job opportunity, but the new organization wants me to study law. Can they sponsor me to stay here and study the law and afterwards work?
Your question. These are the things a good basic legal advice. Yeah, because obey MBA and MBA no. Thank God when you may be a share or a year as a human resource manager. And now most sure they need his say or say acquire law no the back home. Acquire jawa honomo. On sponsor no on the level of the legal bait no law no. Now in this case no obe koso and as on be no student one. The student visa ne be Germano.
Okay.
It is acquire course no we are now failure skilled worker no was about be dropping into it.
Nti
skilled worker
me bao me yama shimiki to be.
Yeah. So and only say in this case omo de new co school. Omo de new co school. Tombe mo man aya we say ebia na visa ni we are law no ba ko en ebia an aspect of the law no ko akoye the account ni MBA no. And now say full time because hono na me nya we about say or call for full time law course and I say an aspect of the law no na or they can one. Let's assume say or call for let's say or cost or person shifted from the MBA no starting law program
altogether.
That's it.
Mami mi se bi nso so say so we papa no adwen bone enya hwe mami fa emra. Yes one koye law course be a year 3 years. In the second year unfortunately na company na air sponsor no afford up. Obetiti ni more mu awie course no owie a the opportunity now or they ebenya sponsor na so be you be turn into a skilled worker. Ayirana.
Yo, honey say no, and you're right, but in some way no, the company na edi na bro. Oh, the entire makers and say, oh share say omone ni draw etna say a draw program. Na say omone sign contract say, okay, koneko suyan law ne bra. So, and a company sebi anko year afford the app. Inti ono na ese odwene ni future ho from then ekono. Say fine, law no kra me kwa akoye. Nya company na na say nya madwuma ya nka me nkoye law no. Inti hono na ese wo yes smart enough say obe start ya pay adwuma. Say full so be use ni MBA na say obe so okotoa law ni so a. Inti hono ono na ese we no hu say me kra no me ye anase me kuta MBA my a bit of HR in such a way say me kra me say bia me pay adwuma bia mo bia afamia. Nti hono our opportunities but ono na say smart no utilize that opportunity no. Ebi ni say obe either say na ninje law no ho a onko pay adwuma with nature no qualification no. Nti hono so no onya adwuma ni bia adwuma no be sponsor no. And not to back to the skilled worker visa no. Because visas be wa and thank God say on my opportunity say you can switch your visa. But some visas be wa you can't switch. E be ni saying ukuta visitors visa no bakroma untimi switch. We a child student visa untimi switch. We a parent of a child student visa untimi switch. Ya ma immigration bill untimi. So these are the things untimi enye ewo kroma. But apart from that, you know, akwan ja wo ho say ubetumi aswitch visas bia ofu say omofo say you meet the criteria of what you are switching to.
Okay.
Why?
Abusia for wait me the text message no about wait me the comment no about Akosia Teria, thank you very much. Me ba be fa nana ado Edie na the question or the abano me the ato lawyer name no be. So what documents do I need to the EU settlement schemes from an extended family member who came here with an EU family permit, and what are the processes? Does he need to do the biometric finger check? Can I only scan documents or I need to post the evidence?
Yo, a friend said Nanado. Yeah, good. O share your EU settlement scheme application or musi yenya. The tier say wow we extended family yakwa kofa free being Ghana. Aba no on the basis we extended family yama EU SSR. What the say we say ubedru krom hana no within 6 months no man twen ma o 6 months visa na e dia ma no engu obe apply for EU settlement scheme no, but depending on your age and depending on your sponsor no the okuta yan share a situation whereby o sponsor no why EU settlement scheme ni bi or no na why no your man indefinite leave and I say your man settled status. And who na wako forward as extended family no, we less than 18. And I say less than 21.
Okay.
Into who apply amount the opportunity said there or no indefinite, you know, a back cascade you to that indefinite, you know.
Okay.
But whereby a situation or no kuta limited leave to remain now, limited leave to remain no, about the next 5 years. Inti yemra say waka say document ben eno ben here. Afa no aba krom afofro. Emfa ne say waba no 6 months kra ndui. E wo say wo pe bibia wo betimi di udi ato so e be show proof of residence. Ebi ni say TV licenses water bill, electricity, and others. Inti, ultimate show proof of address na ubetumi use and make it application.
Okay.
And wo bisa say I was say post come on na said then
on scanner now.
That's it. And that application and I said nonsense application ye wo mu no say no. Bibia ko online. Inti say wo ye online application na obeka cho say upload wo evidence of residence.
Okay.
And evidence of relationship. Into one na I was say what link it up residence proof of address now there relationship there na a chess we are related to ye national no we depend on so and also know where you should being the birth set and I say why DNA to show no upload it and I say ye ni kra na worry e bia wo maame and also no now the marriage certificate account into these are the things are ube here with the yes application no an application no ya and a mama sa anka subium say documents ni nyina no ye upload ye nsene enkoma omo the only a situation I ube send passport akoma EU settlement resolution and I say EU settlement scheme no ne say wo EU ni wo yes application ni bi na wo ye no Home Office enhu ne ID da ne nasefo to make sure say one send the ID no either the passport or identity card no emre wo mo no mo check it to mo check we are no more return it why they are brown answer no more
anyway or the further questions we by baku any or say my family member came here EU family permit from Ghana and she needs to do the settlement scheme. And on no across so anyway, as about say EU family member has permanent residency and the extended family member is less than 21 years. And then
yes, and no, may explain it. Thank God say what me raise it but am I explaining? It is ana obenya sa indefinite na we ni kutani ye national no. And I know waka say oba ko born in sa no ana say onkobo. Yo UK emra ne say as long as we limited, we live in a year limited, no, ewo kroma no. Tem bia no, who apply for federal leave, na say upe say u renew, wo enkrata. Ombema wakoye biometrics, enrollment. No matter take you facial image. Inti ye nuye ya no kuta 6 months or the aba uremune. So a year online application na oba ko born in sano. Internet sano bono and on biometrics ne facial image no. Why?
Okay. Wait, so at the abayini Akosia say what's the band score for nurses who want to come to work in the UK?
Mean share word band score.
And so now can say
a point based system.
Be a code in the work.
Oh, occupational code.
No. Or probably or expect to be a say or your nurse near or basika saying ubetimi anya.
That would depend on the sort of also nurses near mu ahudo bebre.
Okay.
Occupational therapist, nurse, ninasifo, midwifery, ninasifo. That's what the occupation code in the beba. And no, I'm afraid say any on top of my. Into the American say Oko Home Office website now where we go say or more occupational code.
Nanado abeboa or say the salary band for nurses in NHS is band 5.
Good. I wouldn't know.
Yeah. Anyway, Obi Adie Enye or say a friend has a baby with a guy who's having 5 years stay through his EU partner and want to know if it would be possible for her to get a stay through her baby based on the baby's 5-year permit from the baby's dad.
Maybe I can go over the question.
Or say
a
friend has a baby with a guy who's having 5 years stay permit through his EU partner. I want to know if it would be possible for her to get a stay through her baby based on the baby's 5-year permit. Akwalani nyane 5 years no from akwalani papa.
Inti na wo na opese ujira akwalani. Oye den to the akwalani.
Is it be no be stepfather say?
Yo, but stepfather na careful. This is under EU settlement scheme.
Okay.
And you're under immigration. Oh, because one thing see a differentiating is say akola no nya ne 5 years no efri ono ne papa. It's in the 5 years no limited. And yes, a settlement anka or no baby taking that responsibility no as a stepfather no. But all the same no, share nipa no person use your akola no. Debe relationship no work with akola ne mame.
Okay.
Hono na say careful. And akola ne mame no debe visa na say debe stay no the work room no. Because all along akola ne de ne pe. Whereby say person use your akola no so fall into that akola line na. First relationship be no ni akola no. Akola ne papa da so wo ha na or hwe na. These are the questions, probing questions I was seeing in order for us to advise so and I say so. Why?
All right. Nanado uguso eboame wa ha nana kosiatewia ene obisa or say IELTS score and no name say obisa. But
okay. IELTS and no English language. I was say oneness no so no.
You know and no level by.
Yeah, level ben if I think it's a B1 B1 level B1 yeah.
Because I tell you me that say I mean ensure and I do assign the further particulars about 24,000 per year. That includes all the occupational therapists, physiotherapy and speech and language employees.
I think so that
they are all in band 5 in the NHS. I mean call Stephen dear so Stephen Atiga essay. My son was given indefinite leave to enter. The card has since expired. What can we do? He was 17 then, and he's now 21.
Sir, processing. First, ukofa oba every Ghana na yamano indefinite leave to enter. The ya advising is onya oba ya nanka was switch abeno indefinite leave to remain. A application be obetumi aye. But amount for as long as ya trust indefinite people can still use it in the system. I think in the course of the program maybe one of them you talking about ukuta indefinite leave obika say indefinite leave the full senka u here class was uko renew. But the issue then is Home Office, for some reasons, oman limit, mawa, yebe choose say, settlement, indefinite, but card never bano, now 4 years, 5 years, so. So, in the na man for dear bobo say, na lawyer, or see indefinite, but me share so no, wamame 4 years. Ebia may expect senka, indefinite, they mean consistent card ni bill. But for reasons known to them, no. They prefer senka after that, I will say oba now services a card no. And yes, year application for fraud. It's just the card you're going to replace it. Into any question here by the advisor me the man say no apply for say or replace it
the
card no. And yes, application no kwako eye for fraud. Why?
Okay. Obetimi ade o text and I say WhatsApp message about 07950 422-780 07950-422-780. Ebi also obetimi asende wo comment on the comment section of our YouTube page and of course our Facebook page. Senia dodo na na fe yemfa emra. We edie or say I was illegal until 2012 for the first 3 year discretion leave through my 7-year-old son and renewed in 2015, indefinite leave in 2018. So when can I apply for citizenship? I mean, call lawyer Francis what now
your citizenship or person now or illegal up to 2012. So into the first leave the man on a started free dabe.
Or say
because
was legal, so no illegal. I mean, question until 2012, no illegal. For the first 3 year discretion, no through neba, and we renew no 2015.
Okay.
So 2.5, and from 2012 to 2015, no year the first at the
application.
The first renewal
started 2015.
No, I say or renew no 2015. So in the first renewal year 2015,
Okay.
Which presupposes say when you're 2012.
2012, yes.
Good.
Inti say on your 2012 and the punishment in say on for 10 years income.
But I'll say man indefinite 2018.
Say indefinite in the whole, but or no say
citizenship.
Yes.
Okay.
Inti ya share the citizenship no.
Okay.
Indefinite in the whole, nothing wrong because say o share all share immigration rules now. Almost share and say our qualifying child. You can say qualifying child our immigration rules now. Day say akolano either akolano ye British and now say akolano atina kroma for 7 years. Inti we no enema akolano base say or ye qualified child. The qualified child no ena we papa no ejina ne so e de je na sitina. Ena na sitina no we renew 2 and a half sa akonya indefinite. But papa ne say no me pese may apply for naturalization and I say pese may apply citizenship. So in this case no and no ena ye ba ebe yusu we naturalization no emra no being British Nationality Act 1981. In this case, the air can say uba chrome hanomo now one fakwa in papa so and now say uba no aba be overstay o visa be it IE visit visa. Tama ubeba chrome hano and I say tama ubenya unkrata no and no na yebe punish you every honomo from that time no air call for 10 years. So okay. It is a papa no nya starting nya nkrata from 2012 or the 10 years come wa
2022.
That's it. And obey to me apply for naturalization and I said citizenship.
Until 1 year from now. Your call line so 0208123116. Hello. Hello. Me ba cho wo so na hwan ne ka say. Efe ye to nkapa.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
And good evening, Uncle Francis.
Good evening. Eja antu bam ni ana.
Antu bam. But some question bi kakra Uncle Francis Uncle Francis recently court case be pass out concerning Papa na long stay 20 years now. Or you soon for 18 years, 20 years now. You say, or you're right to do that. Now, or you should doctors and but my question about what me say, you're granting the say, no, it's what for 20 years, you know. We so be doing crana or you're okay, no. And but or more, or you so mudino. I don't want to be held responsible, say, or mokata man, and I say. Omono if we are be so mumu na they will be free. My question man person busa.
Yo, coffee me da say, sir, it seems a case no was steady pa, but there ya a war on this home office nyoma bi wo ho no ma omo ya a che no ma sa dia chichiri omo ho. Ebi ni saying omo o share omo grounds of refusal na being part now of the immigration rules now. Ewo nyoma bi wo ho a wo ya eya na ye frame bi mandatory refusal and na say ma home office case worker no say chinchina we say o refuse you ene e wo ba ku bi so wo ho a e wo say ma home office case worker no bibia ye friend say onyu so na discretionary no fa make that decision no inti the maker consider say nipa na sa case no me ready me share sa case no me and me analyze it from my own perspective. Say the judge in the kind near right and now say you're right. Because you sure how I didn't start here a code do court no. Won't make your application, you know. On my home office here where say me use soon for nioma. Honey idea I was say ye my ni home. Ebi wo ha ye nka no kra ne nkyere omo na omumo makwa akohwehwem ehu but when in this case no ono mo ya aware but now inti boils down to be a friend of deception but court ni hu say Home Office enya the interpretation of deception ni ye.
Okay.
Sir, Kofi yemfa ne say wo ba me ho, wo ba be ya ade o se lawyer. To be frank, me ade wo ni maka no kra na kire wo na say wo fa kwa so. Na sebi me makoka different thing na kire Home Office a. Wo betimi aba be ka kire me say na me ka no kra ni kire lawyer. So,
I'm Holland can batch on Memgaka. The question now, person who say, so Owusu Obia, the Krata ye. Yes, I send me why, and I'm a British book, I'm Obia ye to ma. Now, a bar say now, call court. Yeah, but then I'm doing a British book, man, and I'm holding me responsible. And I say, my idea, about my pastor, the ban age.
Yo, Kofina make a baby. The entire makers are maker send them run city here. And how ube to me and I say how ube to me a found way journey. Because say a same quarter first first year tribunal no. Omo judgment, they look at it in such a different way. And I say call upper tribunal. I know say case in call upper tribunal and omo judgment way no. Nipa no. Because omo say adia poti we ni eka ho asem edu apa tribunal nti eno ni ekwa akoka ho asem but the issue now na say the war raising no say nipa na ye yusu ni nioma no eya na say enye ana ko fi me bo a sa na be say o kire hello
I'm saying sana me pa kire sana
nti hono na me pa because me share sa case na in future one hwe ya Home Office be appeal for that case,
Okay.
Because about be chima me say nti okay court na efu so say ubetimi use obi ni oma e dey application.
That's it.
So nti hono na definitely one day and I say omo review say I think some dey omo yi legal team said they should review the case. Say if there is a need say omo pursue the case to court of appeal. Why? Inti one say ya ebe chima mentwe.
Yo.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yo, Kofi Midase. Mami misa question we say me nkrata ekodi obi nsem wo de ye adwuma. Na eche yi hu say nkrata na ewo nipa no wo de ye adwuma for a very long time. Me akrata na ye media na ye betumi atwuma so.
Yo, boils back to the discussions is here no. Because our case now all kind the TN say Owusu Obidi a year adwuma sa for almost 20 years and no call apply for unlawful long stay 20-year rule. Inti Home Office first no more refuse they say no deception because I didn't hear what say what. And no so call court emo mo ya we say aya appeal no more we ya we say o ya application no obo mo kokko say obi nkrata na me ti chroma but obi nkrata na me dey ye adwuma.
Okay.
These are the things but na make no issue na say in future the beba ne say oh okay wo court no ufu aso say wo betimi ayusu obi nkrata dey aye adwuma. So only problem may anticipate say the next say Home Office the case ni omo omo legal team definitely bet me appeal raise that issue no but anya me wan say bet me fight it to the extent say e be kwa Supreme Court say omo interpret ade way why
0208-123-1016 and also be send the text 07950-422-780. Yemfa in text will say, hello, I'm in Ghana. My partner and child are in the UK. They both have a residence, 2.5, but not indefinite. Is there a way I can make an application to join them?
Yes, obey to me, I'm making application to join them. But the problem is, who will live more than Omodiano?
I come one day,
one day.
Now, so be join you omo memfa say akaka kra bi na omo 2.5 na AC no be join you omo obe join you omo no omo koye extension na he qualifies to join them.
Yes, on your be 2 sa na mo no.
Okay. Yeah. Nanado and signed the for say my extended family member from Ghana is 21 and the EES sponsor has permanent resident. By that, my extended family member can get permanent residency under the EU settlement scheme, since the sponsor also has permanent residency. Am I correct?
Nana. Hey, Nana is not taking advantage of BBR. So,
you may name first.
Yo, share the question here. Thank God, say okay, BBR. I don't think that people are aware about your friend or permanent residency. Because so who use permanent resident? That means that you're talking about regulation 2016. And no, you're free.
Okay.
Into hono na ese na I very careful about that. In such a way, say why EU settlement scheme nibia, that's fine. But others who use permanent residency na, Imran say, or more mukuta resident permit, resident certificate, permanent resident in asifono. Because ye free EU muno. Akwan jawo say almost switch it to EU settlement scheme.
Okay.
Application. Inti I was say when your concept in the world and sana say bibi obeso 200 ma we 2. Because we are okofa resident permit in the bar home office beka cho say okra no wasitina kra e wokroma no enye up to say enye solid in such a way say after Brexit, you know, you are born with the rule say more mukuta all start a resident permit and answer mukuta permanent resident, you know. More switch it to EU settlement, provided say opesa utina kroma no more. Just say you are fighting for that journey ama say see the edu ni say you will be a friend grace period.
I know na end June 2020.
That's it.
Okay.
And you say when you no nana ado say one koye na eno ba Home Office, who do application call because you say we need more. Ultimate confer after June 2021. Ultimate confer obin free Ghana ma being your spouse or your family member. Into the American culture, they say, "Who person who say obenya when settlement near there? First, shift it from permanent residency, no, neko for EU settlement scheme, no. Into from there, no." That would determine whether obenya na onya. Why?
Okay. I mean, picking off for us so at the Emerald or the fire WhatsApp line also. Or say I'm married to or Uncle Ben and where the Uncle Ben idea. I'm married to an Irish under EU since 2018 and joined her July 2019 in the UK. My problem is I've stayed with her since and now she wants me to move out to rent my own room. Can I use my new address or have to use her address?
Yo, I think that what so that question is best and over fair mobile nanka you explaining because first, if you are married to someone now we live near limited unless there is some exception be say you can move from the place, you know. Because in future who live near limited ubekwa ko renew. Into who could renew Imran say the marriage has to be genuine and subsisting.
Okay.
Oteha. Enye bibinti na de wana kotina ha anase oteha. Into who could renew what the different address aba. Ube here Irish ni address.
Okay.
Enye the same. Home office beka cho say mo ma wari no kra enye genuine and subsisting. Subsisting is a idea cost. Inti hono na say we careful say obe move free Irish ni ho. Say kra no say be ya o maintaining address no Irish no ho.
Be an talk about.
Say anu nti am go said if anu e bia be che say bibi wo ma amana movie. Inti I say we careful about that. Say in future oba ko renew na year na visa na. Why under the spousal rule?
I'm saying, sir, divorce, some no any problems at the bar. Now I have to do a separate and a different program, a different program on that because and the problems about I will say Augusto the community and the law. So lawyer Francis and Oboye Emma Yedi Ehon Ankomo The community and the law about Wakwemumenda area bia between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Na nya lawyer and for every BWF solicitors I say about a mobile boy ma yade and common ebro. Question bia fam remu teach you immigration issues no. Bomodi answer or the bebro na pay where you are no a day amount. Ye program na number yade juman a 0208 123-1016 0208-123-1016 and as I say over text at the brain 07950-422-780. Yeah, live our Facebook BWF Solicitors and yeah, live our YouTube BWF Solicitors. And he said, join in either on Facebook or YouTuber, then you share the page for us. Sebeya Obia or Shebi and also be on to year and also be and the real crew Efikra would even come on and enjoy it. We also saw it stays live. It's not live. It stays on our page for as long as it will be there. And when you say, say an issue, you can still go back on our page, BWF Solicitors, YouTube and Facebook. Now I share. So say yeah, Joe Fre number no abu 0208 123 1016 and now say over Sunday will comment to our Facebook page na day ebema. But I say BWF Solicitors one main number you reach me at the after book appointment near the na 0208 493 7380. Like Francis, we say, I mean, the sponsor has EU settled status from last year, and the extended family member is 21 years as of now. So basically, she will acquire the same status as that of the sponsor. Sponsor has settled status under the new scheme. I'm so question, no way, you know.
Yeah, but the answer is because they say we did 21. That's the question. Because now Imran say if you're under 21,
okay,
and a warrior settlement scheme, no, only manka say at that time no you're under 21 and could any become.
Okay.
In this case, or didn't come and Kobenya BBF indefinite leave to remain. Why?
Okay. All right. My main fact we or say lawyer. If someone had the previous passport and was refused entry to the UK, as a skilled migrant in Ghana and want to come to the UK, would he be refused based on the previous passport issues?
Yo, all share the Emrana Ekana. That refusal no a different thing to current one now Ubabeno. But as a lawyer, make catch on say address that previous refusal no. Ebia o kase passport say be binti na passport na omodia. Okay, right now I'm making current application, but on that basis now my previous application was based on say my passport now you say ni. But I've rectified it because on say nipa ho adwuma and a home office for more year.
Okay.
Inti the omom pen say omum ba ko pesa information no. So I compare information now, no use you and there be or more a refusal a friend of deception. So one cannot crane.
So well I'll command judgment in
I don't know. Say be a side of India. But on it who disclose it, no I catch you say no they refuse you the other time. But also say we rectify that issue until all buffer a visa. That's it.
Okay.
Why?
0208-123-1016 and I say over send a text a day about 07950-422-780 BWF Solicitors and anyone AD Jumei Meba.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers, are trusted partners when it comes to the law. Omo any edijume mendewe bia wode ebrebamin kai will say ubetimi akohu with any issue, say immigration, say employment, say family litigation. Obi kra person to dan o simple say me lawyer din komo ni nyina ombetimi edi hu adwuma ede amount na say ehia say o make referrals to other specialist organizations near there, they will readily help you. And unti fa ho about BWF Solicitors, award-winning organization at Itimedia ho eto so law quality marks no omo wo 2 bebre wo 1 be kura nibi. Inti wo cop baby for na wakwaje emwa na when you wrong advice and answer it to say. Bomodi answer we no be din komo 0208 493 7340. But some kai will be also say wo enhihye wo some more edumano omate the communication and education aspect of it. Oba community no mu ene wo e be din komo churchill. Even some of the applications, with me, you might not need the lawyer. Sir, empowerment, no, into any award the community and the law. Apart from say, women that issue, Edria Wadansua, BWF Solicitors is live on Rainbow Radio. DAB so London, NRFA across the world. Facebook. It be also so Edru Efiada, GN Radio on TuneIn, NRFA on YouTube and Facebook across the world. Enti bomodia say we di watch na afi senior etiano uko page no so you like the BWF Solicitors page no base digimedi no so you pick up the link, share it and get people to also enjoy the opportunity you have had. BWF Solicitors me say number no so 0208 493 7340. BWF Solicitors introduce Adebi from Monday into Watch the Space. On your WhatsApp, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. We call it the BWF Legal Nuggets. BWF Legal Nuggets. No. I drink any name dear what lawyer for a word may no mutrimono. Almost meaning in a go de mai. Inti bibia ye betimi ade aba straight to your level. Obetia se no. You be chatting kakra obi be ka say you be budo tot ti joda bia ye dey some information be bro ya hwe kan na be boa bia na wo question bia gire wadwene so da e be ya no de amount. BWF Legal Nuggets coming your way starting Monday the 8th of February 2021. And what you know so watch the space because the community and the law, the other aspects of our community life, I bother on memra. And immigration, yes, is the most prominent one that people have to deal with and all that. But the other aspects of the law, I bet me a boa more atnasi. Obi bisa me say COVID passport, but last week na me bisa lawyer. Seba ube de nyebi, ube fan ending. And now say ye show kitten war and you may be one ube de. The lawyers will be here to answer all those. And you see, break a crowd away anymore. More a few questions now for yemfa emrewo. Legal Nuggets, Papa. Nanakofi, thank you very much. Now, Messi, but how come the Home Office still requests for original documents for Zambrano applications to be posted to them and not for them to be scanned over as in the case of all other applications? It seems a waste of time and an unnecessary hold-up of documents. Francis?
Yes.
Messi
Udika, because the work and I no crap say I don't know other documents or more opportunities or more uploading rather than say and send a mail. Because Zambrano and also the only application I will be free now waji form a failing. Because I don't know how specially they are treating it, but it's up to the Home Office no munim the omoye there. Inti Mercy I am part the work be I no crap. But the problem is say you name the entire Home Office at this application in kwa say I will say who posty documents, who posty ID no, who posty just say be BFA Zambrano who be no Home Office person muhu. You know the you know I die and you doing why and say other than Zambrano kwa and I say no class background oh initially it doesn't lead to a settlement and BWF, ya fight ya be do this stage ya fede or ultimi Zambrano ubenya settlement e wo kroma. Intimacy me fo super by share say as time goes on no say comments ni ba bebra Home Office basis o madwin. Why?
Okay. Lawyer obi so e de ni o de fair chain na o say we apply for endorsement that one name or aware in marriage certificate ni ande or they are say or more endorsement or Ghana High Commission or the core no or my year we almost want find passport mrana or my passport or my yes letter no or my year man afi your posted documents number na passport number in fact I'll say I have up to Wednesday to send the application to the Home Office. Now they can't find it at the Ghana High Commission. What should I do?
Yo, oh share one menu omo dia. First, omo munya we because idea where it be happening to me about my client be case no many Home Office. Meka said the Home Office there be a chain a Home Office omo ada de na kotu baby. On my Home Office day made the tracking number you know send it omo. Meka said the Home Office no passport na me do omo. By a share mo na che omo send me email be apologize say. Inti yan share baby a dey free Ghana High Commission. Omo mo nya aware say at least omo di ma courier omo mfa tracking number ni en tracking. Why? And yes sir, so I was so submitting the passport na on my Home Office enya aware ni situation a owo mu sese. Say bibinti me koye ade wa Ghana High Commission ama me passport akoka but me saka me de be
no ebe here say Ghana High Commission be man supporting email be say bia passport no bia you from our end and we're looking into that in Tibia nipa way na so me see the niema also the bremon a bit delay kakra and we are aware we helping to solve the situation. So Ghana High Commission ye bibisa Home Office be atum.
Yes, omo ye bibisa ombeji atum because ombe hu say efri enye say nipa na di ntro or kanu kre say ekoha na our train passport no. Why? Into say Ghana Commission is willing to do that omo ya Home Office beji atum. Why?
Oh, okay. Now you say nipa kro no betimi afre
because West now on Bayani said they will keep your application on hold.
I don't know, but me sure say a boapa you say Ghana High Commission because of the passport today.
Na problem me one say because of coronavirus by and I'm posting new mano and yet the way I used to be. Akofa baby. Na one share ya baby akofa no obi anye na dwuma yi. E na amana basa. Inti me feel say it's a matter of time say he has say omo investigate here because Royal Mail was a issue nibia it ends up say they give it to omo investigative team omo investigate e say oh okay ye sakan but e ko ha no e na ntimi ankodru and I say ni say that. Inti me feel say Sir, obetumi anya letter free Ghana High Commission they are supporting the application and catch omo say na ato me na omo hwehwem I get it back to me. It won't spoil anything. Worst in a home office be ya and say they will keep your application on hold till say that information in balance no matter what. Why?
Okay. Over for so bet me a send a text and now say WhatsApp and now bet me a 0208 123 1016 and now say o be text a day a brain 07950422780. Me pacha we say why EU application for a spouse. Na ekudi lawyer bi ho afi yenkohwe a yesi lawyer na se we bo lawyer for chinti me careful yesi lawyer na se wan check ni email nti ade no am medru ntam and the thing that was that was sent to the lawyer in December this week, it just came in this week. I want to believe that the lawyer is not telling me the truth or just being incompetent. And into the
lawyers definitely that's the reason why you could be a friend of law society more the disciplinary aspect of it or more investigative way because otherwise law profession, it won't be as it is now. I am no akra minya bi. Me client bi ba me ho ne o say lawyer be an application man no. But ne de o mo refuse no. Na decision no. Ni saka na about a month ago, anka ye betimi aye appeal afa ho. But endi amoa no. Appeal no afa ne ko. Ti ye try say ye be pay excuse be ne de appeal no na explain actually home office say bibinti wentimi a lodge appeal actually court say bibinti wentimi a lodge appeal no on time because say ABI could happen say lawyer ne check here na question ni junk mail mo yeah because one application ni order no obetumi afre home office aka say home application na check na home office betumi aka say email ben and I will use here Inti no neba ko twetwe nsem aba no. No aka is because bibia home office here be almost keep record. Ombeka cho say that say yes Sunday. Inti nipa no pa ma ne check nipa email use here no ma ne check omo ya no maka cho say check o check here no asa check o junk mails. Inti say be ko say junk mails the court is lenient, they are reasonable, they are justice and fair. Inti we catch your court and he said this is what has happened now. Say okay because of justice inti fairness inti you bet me allow ama lodge wa appeal why
mama nkofa aye calling na fi memfa enye probably might be the last one we would be picking up 020812311016 hello
good evening
good evening yeah, you too.
Yeah, manenko.
Pacho, can you chance come was child no man put company application. And Kadia ni Diana and Kamihnia. A diary application.
Yeah, also what a stepchild.
Pacho.
Okuta day.
Or a British born.
Oh, okay. Your application. Ujina ne so na dey on. Oni neti ana say nya oni neti.
Ba so oni neti.
Oni neti. Maame no. Oni maame no aware ana.
Okay, ya maame na aware.
Okay. Yo, maame no kutankrata ben.
Pacho, maame no 2.5.
Okay, 2.5. And our colony day British and now with 7 years.
I quite British.
Yo, the attorney say Emrama ho kwan say obetumi make application on the basis say ujina o stepchild nesu. Yo, and at the same time they are home office here and say only my men home office considered by say. Yo. There a say such application no. They are home office ehwe say because we ma me no relationship no. Inti ya na mo hwe say first you bedi kan access your application no on the basis say partner route. But here no ma nya inti ase say ma me no leave ne limited. Ma me no so ejina ne ba so na ode eje sa ade no. Ode je ye. Inti say ono pese wo je so oje da leave na home office be access on the basis on the many relationship and akola no inti e say o play the fatherly role e wo akola ne life mu ebi ni say nanka me pese me hu the age of akola no say akola ne go school make sure say wo de ne call the neighbor and now say at least teachers ni nimu school ni nimu akola ne record ne so na wo school no omu nimu ebi omu so GP say honso I was say uma GP and so they within and I say omudi within to yi omo record ne so say who play akola and I say we emergency contact say dentist so I know so sa into their documents no person who documents are obehia na or they are making application no first I was say would they work copy and I say ukuta o Ghana passport we Ghana near and I be omuso ma many documents say being say ma many passport and then no ne limited leave na odi wo kroma no and akola no British passport normally copy and akola no birth cert because birth cert ni kola na nya wudi na wo so e bi omuso no what the documents are obehia ne say ma many be supporting letter they are supporting wo no case ni say ai ade a wo ye ma akola no enu nie into on that basis no and I say who play the fatherly role to Nebano. Sa application way I was say share with your year because enye easy sir. Otherwise who konya case work be a want in your masia. Obey na adwin say chinchina I was say would make a decision no on the basis say one maame no e wo relationship. But akola ne wom a boa emia yusu sa application no under the EX1 say akola nti yentumi emfa wonko baby a ofri bae ukrom bi Ghana nti on that basis no I was say ma wasitina na akoso ahwe akola no why na ye ma sa leave na de de be ma on say ma me ni leave no okuta no enu bi ne de be ma nti say nene ma me no aka ne 1 week and I say 1 day kra na enu bi ne de be ma why
I'm say we was so no can say or the to so na we nti ma me mraus na fe me ma ene de odi beja ye kwan na fe ye de asori sisi ya na time na so na agro ye de no na ye say ade esa mo krum kwan wa nti ede na ade beja
yo ene de me de beja etie for no and say ye share ye immigration rules no and I say ye share immigration insensema eko so uwo krom hana o immigration NCP a meka say NCP a me pese me che say unya o settlement unya o indefinite all the time no na I was say o try na utu ehu anamo in the sense the rate at which UK and Nyoma AC kono in some way no I was say a die ehu so especially coronavirus ya by amanioma asesa and the way ananka said nioma esitie no inti the American say or immigration issues and I say wasitina wo kroma na NCP a call neko hu lawyer and ye wo akwan bebre so a ubetumi agina so edi age wasitina e wo kroma inti the best thing I was say we ye say uba ko hu lawyer na wa kire akwan obetime afaso they are regularizing we stay e wo UK hanomo why and the me be say chat one ni say coronavirus no e da so wo hopa nti yen so ye djuma so e koso ye stress say opese uba na obe de wasem be da akwan ja wo ho ye bie Monday to Friday and your time near 9:30 to 6 and a biomo so no say open special appointment Saturdays Sundays kwana lawyers na available you bet me no make it that arrangement in why you're here for your da say and then so mama ye the community and the law aba awie That's a day Yankupon de Chenya, Yabessia, Yakram.
Ansana Yabepija Yemu na Lawyer Francis and Abusian for Akakoji or Home Nafi Mapon or the Mepasa Mecatcher will be and I say, "Oh, baby, I will call him dear." For when you share Neko de Bia. And until may come for my say, bra, Memin de Bia between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Na enemy immediate the community and the law. Spread the word. Tell people that we are here. We give you the best quality advice, and it comes from BWF Solicitors. We have other professionals. Omobetimi aboye yen komo any ade gina afa ya setena ewo UK any abriche baby any afi sebe ye betimi edi mraso na yanko follow file na anko fasem for fraba. When it comes to immigration and you have a criminal record, it goes against you. Anunti, but Modian said you stay right and do the right thing and stay safe. As Lawyer Francis said, the coronavirus pandemic is still around. It's not gone. The variants are coming. If it's your turn to go for the vaccine, please do. And protect yourself and your family. If you love somebody, you'd want the person protected and you want the person alive. So do it and do it for us. If I'm a real free pon, and I'm doing see me asida, ma busiafwa, or ma yang support our program yi so yedi asida, ma yang technical men Lawyer Patrick, Sheila, and our fee Patmore, the Mangaza, and our fee so Lawyer Richard. And Lawyer Eunice and the support staff I will BWF Solicitors ya momina aiko say mobwa ema ya digimedie ebremo ebi onso so ene mwami na memfa sedakese emma yen guest Lawyer Francios Owusu Bosompem say uja files ni nyina wo ho na oba betena camera na enim na fe odigima no ede emma Lawyer Francis ya dase nyame ensure your time will not be wasted.
Thank you.
God will bless you.
That's it.
Sounds so and share page, thank you so very much. You brought in your question, it was answered. If you brought in your question and we didn't have time to do that, we say time and tide waits for no man. But there's always tomorrow. So if tomorrow comes, definitely we will do it again for you. Ebio Sada Nkoma, executive producer, Dr. Bernard Owusu, NBWF Solicitors Abusian for Enyina. Nyame Emaye Dasene na say Sanshia. Yede another edition Ede Abro. Good evening.
Fellow Ghanaians, in the measures put in by government in response to the novel coronavirus disease, which has so far affected some 118,000 people across the world, WHO has now characterized it as a pandemic.
Coronavirus, COVID-19, Mefinda crowd. Oh, why the fever never bow? Abre, oh, do, I wash anti-scent, anti-taste, yo, and do me diddy. I was running in your coat, and do me jaumo, and feel dizzy. Oh, papa, baby, you are say, baby, Asia will cook nipa. Europe will cook human African Sudan grass and baba. Share. Soja Suro Corona, Lawyer Osuro Corona, Malam Suro Corona, Wala Wapaste Osuro Corona, Mayu, Mayati Tobia Suro Corona, Mayu, Mayati Yena Suro Corona, Usu Suro Corona, Shawunos Max is a Luko Proba, Mama who refuse to meet a social distance and weaponano. All one surface seminary, and sanitizer no baby fair, man can quick, Benicia, not Lefi. Sister didn't change my Yenchimopone, Sheshia, Yenshia Pone, Chechia, Tijakas at Intina 28, Coffee, and my own, Mayati Tobia, Suro Corona, Mayo, Mayati, Yena, Suro Corona. Sakon yazona kado fele Kachi wuke coronavirus wake Moti wo nose mask ni Wamadele mafangwani kode fele Premise ya Moti ya wafe For social distance di jiba wake Lemble tu corona mini meula na mwa pele mwache isumbo manu akenu mokebo shiwa baishona kawailo wila yakeni akalo no konkuru anti de no sparks caution shona bole my distance money tension no akacha corona ko yen fun no le obabo effort the low adobara yellow amudo yellow we na be corona Nere kukugela Gata za sanitizer Toji dela, apapela Oku social distance Nere mabuya